Time news tonight.
How can Petrojam prepare a term of reference to investigate himself?
Unacceptable. Parliamentary committee blasts Petrojam for developing the rules to audit its oil losses. Paging Elephant Man. Police seek dancehall entertainer following viral gun video. And business operators in St. Catherine express renewed concerns about extortion.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also in this newscast, the business news, and Herman Green is here with a preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, aluminum production is set to increase significantly as Gisco announces a plant expansion. I'll have the details in the business day.
And from Herman, it's to Spencer Darlington with the headlines in sports.
Yep, thank you very much, Archie. Well, there are some disgruntled stakeholders and delegates in local table tennis. In fact, they want more transparency from the leadership of the organization. We'll tell you more later.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what do you think Jamaica's position should be on the Venezuelan crisis?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail after this break.